All right, let's look at the homework 11.1, problem number 9. All right, so we have a differential equation and also its general solution is given. So we can just use the general solution. All right, so the clue is given here. All right, so it says that the initial investment is $1,100. So which means that A of 0 is equal to 1,100. Right? So we use that information. And then after 10 years, the balance is $3,370.56. Right? So which means that A of 10 is equal to $3,370.56. Right? So we can use these two pieces of information to find the value of C and K. Right? So let's do the first one. Right? So if you plug in 0, and you see that it's going to be C times e to the k times 0. So, but if you have e to the 0, so this is 1. So this is going to give you just C, right? So C is actually equal to 1,100, right? So far, we know the formula is A of T is equal to 1,100, right? E to the KT. All right, use the second piece of information here. All right, if you plug in T equals 10, you're going to get to, so we already have 1,100 in front. Then you have e to the k times 10. All right, and this is going to be equal to 3,370.56. All right, then we just have to solve this equation for k. All right, so I'm going to divide through by 1,100. So we have e to the just 10k. Right, so this is going to be equal to 3,370.56 divided by 1,100. All right, then we can just take the natural log of both sides. So we put the natural log in front here and natural log in front there. Sorry, didn't have much room there. All right, that way we can use the inverse property to cancel natural log of x and e there. All right, so we have a 10k. So we just need to divide through by 10 so that we know the k value. So k value is going to be natural log of 3,370.56 divided by 1,100. The whole thing is divided by 10. All right, so let's bring out a calculator. All right, so we need to compute the natural log of 3,370.56 divided by 1,100 and then divide by 10. All right, so we get, all right, so it's going to be k is 0.11197. Let's see. Round the value to 2 decimal places, right? So it's going to be 0.11, right? So this is about 0.11. All right, so we have, right, A is going to be, oops, sorry. A is going to be 1,100 e to the 0.11 t. All right, so let's check the answer first. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Then the formula is, let's see, so this is an increasing exponential function. So definitely not the second one or the fourth one. So either these two. So let's look at the initial value is about 1,100 here and 1,100 there. And also at 10-year point, it's 3,770. So 10-year point, it looks like it's about 3,370. Right? You can see that this one is way too low. So we know that this is the correct picture. All right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the correct graph as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.